Hey everyone, welcome to another Level Up Dev tutorial. So today we will be using Ollama along with Phi3 model by Microsoft to learn Kannada. That's right. We will be using the model to help us learn Kannada. It will teach us the Kannada language by interaction. So as you can see, I'm in the Ollama's models search page and I have searched Phi3. If you want more information on the model, you can go to the links. It will give you the complete information. So there are also resources that you can check out. For example, Mike 3 blog, uh, technical report, Azure Studio, etc. Also, there's a, technical report that I was reading today. So you can see. So basically, Phi3 has multiple versions, like Phi3 Mini, which is small compared to the Phi3. Uh, so the differences you can see it in the table. And also there's a open source project called Phi3 Cookbook that will help you get started with the Phi3 model. So Phi3 Mini, Vision, Small, Medium, 3.5, 3.5 Vision, Medium, and all this is available uh, for various uh, AI interfaces like Hugging Face, Ollama, etc. So everything is there. So yeah. So let me show you how to get started with the Phi3. Yep. Phi3 released by Microsoft. Uh, Family of OpenAI models. So there is a mini and medium. So they have 3 billion parameters, uh, which you can try out. Uh, so these models have been tested by Microsoft and been trained. So you can directly harness that power. And also you can see the resources. So if you go to the Hugging Face, you can directly check out how the model is performing in comparison to other models in terms of downloads and the community around it, how to run the model, the Python and all that. But right now we are not looking for Hugging Face. We are just going to see the Phi3 model. So let's copy this command and head over to our terminal again, and we'll say oh llama run, then we just paste it. Yeah, we just paste this model, then it will pull up the model again. It's 2.2 GB of size. So when it comes to size, you have to check the disk space of your machine also. Sometimes you might download a lot of models and your disk space might uh, take out most of your space, so just keep that on mind. Hi, I am a beginner in Kannada, Indian language. Learning it. Can you have a conversation with me to help me teach Kannada? I guess it's completely writing it into this model. I couldn't understand what you wrote. I could not understand what you wrote as I am new to reading Kannada native. language. Can you um, try um, breaking it in English? Right, so we are getting the response now. So newcomer to AI me, namaste, welcome here. Uh, Namaste too, then later you might say hello, welcome. But I want to know what to say in Kannada for the above languages. If you can use English to describe the uh, words that I need to say. So it's taking in the data. So it's trying to tell me that these words are giving me this. Um, so still I couldn't understand the language as it's written in native and I can only read English. Can you tell me tell me the words that I need to say in Kannada in English? Right, so now it got the context what I'm thinking. So basically, it was trying to tell me that these are the wordings and this is the English, right? But now it is actually telling me Namma Patratitu, uh, and now I can read the Kannada language. This is cool. Namma Patratitu. Welcome here in Kannada script. This is the word. So if you see here, this is what it is written. I guess. Nama Kannadali, meaning I am learning Kannadali. Nama Kannadali. Thai Namaskara. Nama Bahubaliya Vinu Vinapu. Right, so this is how you can use the models to try out a language. So I would say exit. I'm sorry for the formal way. Meeting and recording and authenticity and complexity from the Datala. So it's representing Datala region, which is part of a Karnataka state, a unique dialect. It's more a translation. Petala. You are doing good. I would love to learn this later. Thanks. In complex instruction mode 2 run with construction matrix format. So these models have a unique way of doing the job. So to exit, basically we have to say bye. So let's now exit it. So as you can see, this is the prompt that it is using. Your task is to design a comprehensive language learning exercise for intermediate who's trying to learn Kannada. Anand Priya tourist. Okay. So this is using instruction mode 2 now. Right. Buy. So when you say type buy, so the Llama Ollama will exit and you will get back to the terminal. So this is how you use Phi3 model by Microsoft. Yeah, and there are many other models that you can try out to. And that's it. In just a few steps, you're ready to harness the power of this amazing open source large language models right from the comfort of your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe for more dev hacks, and let me know in the comments what model you are excited to try first. Thank you guys. See you soon.